Ladies and gentlemen, this is Naman and today we will see how to download and install the latest version of the Visual Studio Code in your Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 or in Windows Basic. So first of all, you have to open any web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You feel free to use any web browser of your choice. Then search google.com. Thank you OBS for telling people that I am recording this video with OBS Studio. Like guys, I seriously made a few settings so that this thing doesn't shows up in my taskbar. But OBS be like, let people see he's recording with the help of OBS Studio. Okay, so type google.com and then search for download Visual Studio Code. And then click on the first link, the link with code.visualstudio.com. Like this is the official link. So click on the link download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, Windows. Then here you can see the Windows sign. If you're a Mac user, you can download it from here, but we are using Windows 11, so we will click on this. And our download has started. Now click on the file to start the installation process. Let me close my browser. Now click on I accept the agreement and then click on next. If you want to install Visual Studio Code in another folder or in a different folder, you can browse from here, or you can click on browse and you can choose that folder, but I want to install it in this folder only, so I'll click on next. Then again we'll click on next. Now make sure you check or tick all of these boxes. These will enhance your experience. And then click on next. And the installation has started. The installation is done and now we will tick mark the launch Visual Studio Code and then we will click on finish. And we are done. And here we are in a Visual Studio Code. If you are having any queries, feel free to leave your questions in the comment box and I'll be happy to answer you. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day ahead. It's Naman signing off.